I'm Nick with Gander Outdoors, and today I'll be talking about the Ultimate Terrain Pack-In Rain Suit. Both the jacket and pants are constructed of rugged, flexible EVA with fully welded seams for reliable waterproof performance. With the unisex design, the jacket features an attached hood with drawstring, full zip closure, and elastic cuffs for further protection. Keep dry and protected in the heaviest downpour with the Pack-In Rain Suit. Thanks for watching. For this and other great products, shop online or visit your local Gander Outdoors.